Today we will discuss about the performance fibers like Coolmax and Thermolite and what are their applications, their physical properties, chemical properties and its end use and different parameters of these fibers. First, Coolmax versus Thermolite manufacturing. Its manufacturing is Coolmax produced using specially engineered polyester fibers, while Thermolite made from hollow core polyester fibers. And second, Coolmax manufactured through standard polyester extrusion process with specific treatments for moisture wicking capabilities. While on the other hand, Thermolite is manufactured using extrusion process that create hollow fiber providing insulation properties. So during the manufacturing process, you can say this has moisture wicking properties and specially produced by engineered polyester fibers, and while the Coolmax is having insulation properties and it is made from hollow core polyester fibers. This is the difference with respect to manufacturing process. Second property, yes, second difference among these fiber is composition. Coolmax primarily composed of polyester fibers, while Thermolite made from hollow core polyester fibers. Second, Coolmax may contain various blends depending on specific end-use application, while the Thermolite often blended with other fibers to enhance comfort and durability. Third difference is with respect to structure. Coolmax features are unique fiber cross-section designed to make moisture away from skin, while Thermolite hollow core fiber structure traps air providing insulation and warmth. So Thermolite has hollow core structure. Second, the Coolmax. The structure allows for quick drying and high breathability, while in the case of Thermolite, fibers are lightweight yet provide effective thermal properties. Further, next difference is with respect to microscopic views. Coolmax displays a multi-channel cross-section under a microscope, while Thermolite hollow core fibers appear as tubes or straws under the microscope. Second, Coolmax channels are designed to increase the surface area for better moisture wicking properties. While on the other hand, Thermolite, the hollow structure is evident providing insulation. So Coolmax has properties like moisture wicking, while the Thermolite has properties like providing insulation. Next difference is with respect to physical properties. Coolmax is lightweight and highly breathable. Thermolite is also lightweight with a good thermal insulation. Second, Coolmax has excellent moisture wicking and quick drying properties, while in the case of Thermolite, maintains warm without adding bulk. These are the physical properties differences among Coolmax and Thermolite. Next is difference with respect to performance properties. Coolmax keep the wearer dry and comfortable by efficiently wicking moisture, while Thermolite provide warmth without added weight. Second, Coolmax is suitable for high performance athlete wear and active wears, while on the other hand, Thermolite is ideal for cold weather clothing and insulation layers. Next property is with respect to chemical properties. While we study about the differences with respect to chemical properties, Coolmax is made of polymer ester chemically resistant to many acids and alkalis. On the other hand, Thermolite made of polyester with a similar chemical resistance to acid and alkalis. So chemical properties are nearly same. Second is low absorbency of water, which enhance the moisture management. And while in case of Thermolite, resistant to biological degradation. Next, difference of Coolmax and Thermolite with respect to tensile properties. Coolmax has high tensile strength due to polyester composition, while Thermolite has high tensile strength with added benefit of hollow core fibers for insulation. So Coolmax maintains strength when wet and Thermolite good breathability, durability and strength. These were the difference with respect to tensile properties. Next is acid resistance. Coolmax good resistance to most acid, while on the other hand Thermolite has also good resistance to acids due to polyester composition. So both have good resistance to acids. Next, alkalis. Coolmax good resistance to alkalis, Thermolite good resistance to alkalis. So both fibers Coolmax and Thermolite has similar behavior of alkali resistance and acid resistance and chemical resistance. Next, Coolmax versus Thermolite physical feel and appearance. Coolmax is soft, smooth, and lightweight, and Thermolite is also soft, warmth with a more sustainable, substantial feel. Next, Coolmax often appears shiny due to polyester fibers, and Thermolite slightly bulkier due to hollow core structure. Next is end users. Coolmax is ideal for high performance athlete wear and active wears, while the Thermolite suitable for cold weather clothing and insulation. Next, Coolmax used in sportswear, socks and base layers, while Thermolite used in outdoor gear, winter apparel and sleeping bags. Summary: we can say that we can conclude Coolmax focus on moisture management and quick drying, ideal for sports and active wear, while on the other hand Thermolite provides warmth and insulation suitable for cold weather and outdoor gear. So this is the conclusion and summary for the Coolmax and Thermolite fiber. I hope by this lecture your concept about the properties are about the differences and similarities among the Coolmax and Thermolite fiber would be very clear. Thank you. For more videos, please like, subscribe and share.